Hey there guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to sell print-on-demand products on eBay. If you want to sell print-on-demand products on eBay, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first things first, whether you're on laptop, PC, Mac, or any mobile device, the first thing you need to do is open any browser and open printify.com. So that is printify.com, and it's going to take you to this homepage right here. And what you need to do is, if you have a Printify account, then just log in or press start for free. So when you press start for free, it's going to take you here where you could sign up and just put your email password. It's faster if you use continue with Google. So once that's done, once you've signed up and you've created your Printify account, and again, it's free. So, it's going to send you to this page. As you can see, this is your Printify product page. And as you can see, this is a new account. So we don't have anything here. We can browse products to add, but that's not really the point. So what you want to do is go to this and click on add new store. So when you add a new store, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So it says let's connect your store, and it's gonna give you a lot of options here. You have Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, Printify pop-up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, and API. So what we want to do is click on eBay, since we want to sell on eBay, right? So once you click on eBay, it's going to bring you to this page. So step one, create your store. I want to create a new store, and put your store name here, or I want to create an existing Printify store. So we have a new store, and then click on connect, right? And it's going to say create an eBay account. So click on, I have an eBay account. So go to eBay, right? And then log in. If you have an eBay account, very easy, very fast. But if you don't, it's very straightforward. And in your eBay account, you need to click continue, right? And this is pretty much going to create a pop-up. It's going to say agree and continue. We're not going to do that because this is for a tutorial. So once you do this, your Printify and your eBay will now be connected. And as you can see here on your eBay, you want to click sell over here. It's a small word sell. Besides watch list and my eBay, click sell. It's going to bring you to this page, right? And the gist of it is you're going to click list an item because you wanna sell a Printify product, a Printify print on demand product. So once you click list an item, you're going to bring up here, and then you're just going to type in the Printify product name that you have, right? So if you browse products, right, you're gonna have a lot of things, right? And you're just gonna search print on demand. So you're gonna see there's a lot of things here that you can add to your Printify shop, which when you add these to your shop, you just need to copy paste the title of the product to here, and it's going to pop up. The listing's going to be there, so you can start selling Printify print-on-demand products on eBay. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.